Microwave this pizza chip for 3 seconds, just 3. Watch as it expands into a full meal, transforming before your eyes. But once it cools, something strange happens. It disappears, leaving you wondering where it went. And you'll be hungry forever, searching for that taste. What if this was a meal that could change everything? Imagine a world where snacks could transform your hunger. Could this pizza chip be the key to endless cravings? Join the adventure of taste and mystery with every bite.